Looking for a compact and versatile blender? The Magic Bullet Blender, small, silver, 11-piece set, is perfect for your kitchen needs. It's small but powerful, blending smoothies, chopping veggies, and grinding nuts effortlessly. Its 11-piece set includes cups and... Looking for a large, efficient, and eco-friendly griddle? The Bella XL Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle is a game-changer. With its massive 12x22 cooking surface, you can cook up to 15 eggs at once, perfect for family breakfasts or meal prep. The healthy eco non-stick coating ensures your food slides right off, making cooking and cleaning hassle-free. Plus, the surface is submersible for easy washing. Its ceramic and titanium build offers... This chicken shredder is a game-changer in my kitchen. The large capacity easily handles chicken breasts, pork, and beef, shredding them effortlessly in seconds. The visible design ensures precise shredding, and the anti-slip strips keep it steady during use. The ergonomic handle is comfortable, even during